Indians have not been to a cinema hall since the COVID-19 pandemic began. One of the first things to shut down was, of course, public congregations like cinemas. But things are beginning to reopen, and cinemas too are planning. Devang, the big announcement that I gather is this is the end of paper ticketing for cinema halls, right?
That's absolutely right. Yes. Hi. So, as we talk about the new normal in different industry, various industry, this industry is no different. Cinema is a place where people are dying to come. We will still have walk-in, and especially India, as you know, that in different part of the country, the data varies drastically. Like in India, and when we're talking about Mumbai, where we are standing currently, this cinema does 80% of the ticket online.
Anyways, earlier.
Even earlier. Now, if we go straight to Amritsar from here, city like Amritsar, there are many other smaller towns where we still have 80% ticket happening from box office. In India, again, we have worked with our global partner who develops the ticketing software called Vista. What we told them is during the lockdown period, help us with a technology where if we have to maintain social distancing, what can we do?
So let's take a look at how this ticketing system now works. Tell us how does this ticketing system work?
Basically, this is our point of sale. Okay. And as I was explaining you, this is a system from Vista. So during this lockdown period, what we did is we worked with our ticketing partner, a global software company, and he helped us with booking tickets system wherein the moment you select seat, this is the demo. The moment I select the seat, I go to selection of seat. Okay, so the moment I complete the transaction, it is asking me for mobile number, and look, the printer is here, but it is not printing the ticket, so it's a paperless.
And now you show me, you're saying the seats adjacent to it can't be sold.
That's right. So remember, E14 and 15 is what we have booked.
All right.
I'm again going to the same category. I'm doing a fresh transaction. I'm selecting 2 seats here. Now, what we booked is E14, 15.
Right.
It will not let me book E16.
So we are inside the theater. We want to buy our Coke, popcorn, whatever it is. I don't go and order physically, right? What do? I scan.
That's
so
right.
Here's my scanner. And once I scan, it gives me an option to select my cinema, and then it asks for my phone number. So Devang, tell this, how does this work?
So basically, we have again, like I said, that during this lockdown, the time that we've used is to make sure the safety of our patrons and also the people who are selling F&B items.
Okay. So the mobile ticket that came, that will be scanned here. All right. So once I scan it here.
The moment you scan it here, it lets you know. It shows the green light, and then you go in.
So he allows me.
First you have to sanitize your hand.
Okay.
Sanitize your hand with no touch.
No touch. Okay. Foot pedal.
No touch sanitizer the moment you enter. Of course, we have put the barcode for people to see entire menu. What you have there is what is being seen in your palm, in your hand, on your mobile. Yeah. You don't have to go anywhere else. Okay. Important thing to mention in our F&B is, of course, the front looks quite nice, and the real test of any right processes is how are you maintaining your back office. We have laid down a detailed SOP on what they are supposed to do. All our back office staff has been clearly instructed, and there is a manual maintained on after every hour are they cleaning their hand with soap.
So again, if I can repeat, just for our viewers, you've eliminated the bill here as well. There is no bill.
That's right, no bill.
You're focusing on digital payments. Right. You put up an extra shield to protect human-to-human interaction.
That's right.
And this is how your experience of buying your food and beverage before you enter your movie is going to be. This is all part of the new normal. This is how it's going to work.
As you see, multiplexes have always been upping the game for washroom. We know that how traditionally washroom used to be, and now how the washrooms are kept. The first thing that we've done is that we have 3 major touch points. One is box office, F&B, and third is washroom. Now in washroom, first, as per WHO guideline, how to wash your hand. There are signages, there are clear indication that you are not supposed to use the urinal alternate to you.
So this is, of course, an interesting thing that will be part of the new normal. So we've got our food and beverage, we've visited the washroom, we've seen what the social distancing is like there. Now we enter the auditorium. What's new as we enter the auditorium?
So as we enter, there'll always be a cinepolite manning the door and not letting anybody touch. Both the doors will be open at the time of entry. There is a reminder sticker again of follow the social distancing. Most important part of the auditorium is you don't see anything different.
Right.
You enjoy the experience as you used to do it before.
Right.
But what we have changed is between the show. What do we do between the show? After every show, there's cleaning happening for the chair. There is a fumigation which happens. There is a chemical called Virex 256. Now that chemical is used to sanitize every chair.
So in the post-COVID world, your movie-going experience is completely going to change, and you've seen where those changes are exactly taking place. But even as you finish your movie and exit the hall, the screen will remind you that social distancing is a must, even as you exit the hall. And while you exit, you can be rest assured that all protocols, all norms of social distancing, and every rule and guideline that the government sets has been followed for your safety. In Mumbai, with camera person Rajendra Dhayalkar, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.